Said if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk.
Hey guys, this is Jen with Monsters and More, and I have Miss Batty Bailey with us today, sporting her little batting outfit that we picked up at the home goods store. She's super excited about the unboxing of our new Home Depot stuff. Let's get into it.
Today we're going to do a tutorial for the Grave and Bones LED Jack of Spades from the Home Depot. We're very excited about this. We just got back. The SKU number, just in case any of y'all haven't bought it and you're looking for it later, is 1010831-006. Okay, so let's get started. We've already got our base set down. The little hooks on each side go to the front. That's for your shoes to set on. So we'll start off by putting the first two sets of legs on, which is C.
So the base is A.
Then we put the shoes on.
Yep. The shoes are labeled D and E. It'll tell you in the directions.
Yep.
On
E goes on the right hand side. And D goes on the left. So.
All right, and then you'll start off with your F. And then your G's.
The longer part of it goes down towards the bottom.
The opening will be in the front.
Where the knee part's at. Yeah, there you go.
One thing I do like about him is you're able to either stand him up or sit him down. I think with our idea, we're just going to set him up standing up at this time. Probably when I get him outside in the garage for my poker scene, he's probably going to be sitting in a chair. All right, so we'll go to H, his shoe or his pants. Suspenders will be in the back.
All right, so which is the suspenders part. Make sure you put that in the back. It's better if you got two people when you're doing this because these can be kind of aggravating when you're trying to slide them over the legs by yourself, but it's not too bad.
All right, and then we're going to get I. So this is the part that actually allows him to sit.
Where's this going in the back? No.
Yeah, no.
There we go.
All right, and now is J for his waistline. All right, and K, which is the body. It's probably still in the box, but there you go.
All right.
Chest plate obviously goes in the front. Look at his muscles.
Slide him out a little bit so Frankenstein ain't trying to grab him.
And then L, his arms. That's M.
That's M. Here's L. Which side does this go on?
Looks like this side. And then M. And M will have the clip at the top like the other Home Depots.
Mm-hmm.
It should.
It does right here. So we had to flip this arm over because they actually had it installed where it was sticking out the bottom, and we couldn't figure out how it was going to connect to this because it was wanting to come up on this side. So I had to undo the clip off of it and actually pull it up and hook it back onto it where it was going to come over to this side. So if you run into that same problem, somebody at the factory just didn't put it on exactly the right way. So it wasn't too bad after that, and we got it lined out.
All right. Next up is your sensors for his arm. What you doing, Carol? Huh? What you doing? Trying to help?
All right, we got that. What else do we hook up? Put his shirt on.
And next will be his shirt.
I might have to borrow his outfit to wear out. He's dressed up pretty nice.
And of course, you'll have your sensor wire on the inside. Oh, he got a crop top on.
Well, I think once you stretch them, they Velcro together to the pants, so I don't think it'll quite be that short.
All right, now his hand. O. This is O with a deck of cards.
And you're putting that on the left side, and then this other hand, which is, I don't see a letter on it. P
Should be P.
goes on the right side. And it does have a clip on this one too, because this is going to be the hand that's going to be moving. I mean, I kind of think he's my kind of guy. He likes to drink. He fits right in with us. And I do want to say that Jen is very excited about this because I built her a bar just for this Halloween, just to be able to set up with Dean, the bartender from Home Depot, and the poker player.
I cannot wait. I'm super excited. I was excited that I got him on the Home Depot drop.
Yeah, because she was worried to death she wasn't going to get it.
All right, so once you have the hands, the head, now it's time to start connecting all of your sensors and your wires.
And you want to make sure that your head wires are run down through the inside. And then you'll do your, I don't know what letter that is.
Let's turn it around.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We forgot a piece. Jen got excited trying to put this together and left a piece in the box, which was just his neck bone. You know, the skeleton part of it, it was still in the box. So don't forget that before you put the head on. You still got to have that on there. So we took that off and put it on.
Just don't get super excited like I did.
Yeah. So now we're going to hook up the red wire to the red wire cable actually on this. This is for his animated head. All right. And then you got your red and black wires connect together. And then you got his sensor on his chest, and that's the yellow, orange, and red wire that needs to be connected together. And then after that, we've got the power cord. Just plug that in the back, and you're almost ready to go.
We're going to have it coming out the back, or do you want it going up his leg? Or
No, I'd probably just have it going out the back.
Okay.
And then you don't want to forget the hat and put that on. Jen tried to stick that on my head a while ago, trying to be funny. And you want to make sure it does have Velcro on it, so you want to make sure you Velcro it so it doesn't come off. All right. Then let's start Velcroing the back up.
Work it, boy. Hey, get that belly shirt going.
That's a little tight, don't it?
That muscles in the front.
That's what it is. You know, stretch it a little bit, being in that box.
They didn't give you the muscle fit, did they, hon?
All right, let's see. All right, so pull it up and start. You got Velcro all the way around the front of the pants that Velcros to this shirt. So you want to line it up when you're putting it on there.
You got to make sure. Hold on, it's wrong because his suspenders need to be like right here.
Twisted a little bit.
Yeah, he's twisted because the Velcro for the suspenders needs to be right here.
Well, it should be right in the back, even. You can start in the back and do it, probably be better because you start right in the exact same spots. There you go.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way they line up all the way around. Perfect.
Hold on. I ain't my hand right here for this one.
Yeah, this is not too bad. So we found when you're putting that together, you're better off starting the back on each side of this, and then that way it.
Spin him around for his suspenders.
And then all you gotta do is pull his suspenders over. All right. Now there is Velcro in the center of the suspenders that connects to each side of the shirt, which you'll be unbuttoning that anyway, so I wouldn't worry about connecting it together once you plug it all up and get ready to turn him on. But he's looking sharp, and let's plug him in.
He got some skinny little legs, though.
Well, you could always beat that up with those, the ones that come with it. You don't necessarily have to have those because we talked about some of the Dollar Tree pool noodles or the ones you get at Walmart. They've got some of the bigger. I think they're like 3 inches instead of the 2 inch, and you could put on his legs if you wanted them to be a little bit fuller. So.
Welcome to my game, mortal. I'm the dealer who always knows when to hold 'em and when to fold 'em. My bony fingers have dealt with the best and the worst.
And I do know that you can
So
take.
you think you've got what it takes to outsmart me? Then take a seat and let's see what you're made of.
Feeling frisky, boy?
I deal in fear and fortune.
Yeah, see, so you can bend that just a little bit and get it up closer to his face.
And a deck of cards are all I need to make your nightmares come true. Don't let my skeletal appearance fool you. I know how to play this game. The question is, do you, kid? Well, look at that. Looks like I have myself a dead man's hand.
Well.
Lucky for you that it was dealt to me, since I don't have any skin in the game. But then again, I don't have any skin at all.
Alright.
So, of course, it does have a volume control on it, so you can turn it up and down if you don't want, him talking and stuff and everything. So, especially if you got like a bunch of people around, or you can at least turn the volume down a little bit.
I'm super sold. Like, I am over the top excited about him. He is going to go perfect out there. He's going to go perfect with my Dean. We will make a video putting Dean up together.
And then when we set the bar and Dean and the poker, we're probably going to try to get a poker table is what we've been looking for, to have a whole scene in the corner of the garage, and we think that'll be awesome. So, and I got one question. How satisfied are you with it?
Oh, my God. 100%. Like, he is awesome. He's amazing. Super easy to put together, too. So, I am really, really satisfied. If you all haven't went and got him, go get him. He is great.
So, please comment in the section. Tell us how you like him. What you thought about the video. Was it very explanatory? We know we've watched some before we started doing ours, and sometimes they just put them together real quick and didn't really explain stuff, especially some of them, even though you follow the directions. Well, they're not that easy, which he wasn't bad other than this arm part right here.
Mhm.
And sometimes you have to just kind of work around because the work instructions or the letters on them are not right. We found some last year that we had to turn the bottom piece around because the letters was wrong, and we
He
kept
tried to
trying to
give you a
figure. He
drink.
tried to hit me, trying to figure out what was going on.
He's like, "All right,
why
Chris,
it wasn't
that's enough."
going together right. So, but
I
please
know, right?
comment. And that's all we have today for the video. We hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Look at that. Looks like I have myself a dead man's hand. Lucky for you that it was dealt to me, since I don't have any
Said if you're
skin in
gonna
the
play
game.
the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em,
I don't have any
know
skin
when
at
to
all.
fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. But you never count your money when you're sitting at the